while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting.
Hello everybody, you are welcome to my channel Beauty Madness. I hope you guys like my videos. Really, I need your support to reach hundreds thousands of subscribers. So please, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to do body scrub at home. Also, you can use this scrub for face and lips. All the ingredients are natural and you will find it at your kitchen. You just need a half lemon, one spoon of honey, 1 spoon of honey, and brown sugar, If you haven't a brown sugar, you can use any sugar you have. Let's start. I will show you how to treat your skin after washing. Now, I will use the rose water to calm my skin. Then use any cream, like Dove Beauty Cream or any body lotion. I prefer Johnson's Baby Lotion because our skin needs to gentle care to keep perfectly baby soft. I like this one. I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more beauty videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.